Good morning, dear students, and welcome to today's Indian economy class conducted by Pratap Hegde for the BCom 5th semester classes. So, dear students, in the previous sections, we studied about different characters and different features of India's population, and we also understood that India's population has grown very high during the recent past years. And in this class, we are going to study about the main reasons or the causes for high rate of growth of population. Our economists have found out various reasons for this excessive growth of population, and today we are going to discuss some 6 to 7 reasons that are contributing towards the excess population of our country. First of all, the main cause for high growth of population is the high birth rate. High birth rate is one of the major reasons for the increase in the population of that country. So we understood that over recent years our population has been growing for over more than 3% or 4% every year. Our growth of population rate is more than 2% every year, and every year we are generating the population that is equal to the total population of Australia. So by this data we can understand that how much population we are reproducing every year. So high birth rate is one of the major reasons for increasing the population. The second major reason is lower death rate. Low death rate is also contributing so much towards the increasing population. Low death rate is due to inventions in the medical sector, inventions in the health and sanitation facilities. I'm not saying low death rate is bad, but this is the reason why we are experiencing so much increase in our population every year. So low death rate is very good for that economy, but simultaneously we should have controlled the birth rates also. In that way, the population growth will be under control. The population growth will be balanced if both birth rates and death rates would be lower. So low death rate is also one of the major reasons for the excessive population. Next, we are going to study about why there is high birth rate in our country. The major natural reason for this is that India is in the tropical region of that globe. India is a tropical country. That means India is capable, or India's population is capable of attaining puberty or the age of maturity at a very early age. So tropical region is one of the reason for the excess population. Here the children, both male and female, reach the age of maturity or puberty at a very small age. In average, the marriage age of the children for male children in our country is 21 years, and average marriage age for female children in our country is 18 years. So we can understand that people of our country reach the age of maturity at a very early stage, and that is why they are capable of reproducing more than other countries. So natural reasons is one of the reasons why India's population is growing at a faster rate. So when children attain the age of puberty or maturity at a very early age, their parents also tend to marry them at an very early age. So that this leads to more years for reproduction. So tropical region or tropical country is one of the reasons for our increase in the population. Next, main reason is the universal concept of marriage in our country. There is a saying or there is a belief in our country that people are born to get married. So when there is the concept of universal marriage, their parents or the society thinks that each and every child who is born is yet get married. He is born to get married. So unlike western countries, here the marriage is believed as a holy communion. It is believed as sacred thing. So people of all society or all caste believe in marriage. So they force their children to get married, and also that in a very early age. So when each and every person gets married, or when the majority of that society gets married, they are bound to get reproduction. They are bound to reproduce. So this is again contributing towards the increase in our population. So universal marriage, that too, marriage at a very early age is contributing more towards the excessive population of our country. So unlike western countries, there where there is no universal concept of marriage, and also marriage is taken place after attainment of a very good maturity age, that is maybe after 25 to 30 years. But in our country, child marriage is still in practice in some of the areas, and also where there is no child marriage, children or people are bound to get married at the very early age. So this is also contributing more towards the increasing population. The next reason for increasing population is the declining infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rate. What do you mean by infant mortality rate? Infant mortality rate is the number of death of children per thousand. I'm going to write this in a short way. Maternal mortality rate. MMR denotes maternal mortality rate. So declining infant mortality rate is also a major reason for increasing the population of our country. In the previous years, where there was no advanced medication facility, where the medicine sector or the health sector was not very well developed, that time infant mortality rate and maternal mortality rates were very high. Because of that, both uh, because of the high birth rates and high death rates, the population was in a balanced way. But as only birth rate is higher now and death rate is lower than the birth rate, the population is imbalanced and population is growing exponentially. So that is why, due to declining infant mortality and maternal mortality rate, due to the advancement of medicine or advancement of health facilities, our population is getting stronger day by day. Just to know, our population has crossed the 1.35 billion mark. It is more than 135 crores now, and the economists have estimated that India will surpass the population of China to become the highest populated country in the world sooner or later, the year 2030. So 2030 is not very far. We are only 9 years short from 2030, and we are increasing our population day by day, whereas China is controlling or decreasing their growth of rate of population. So we need to be very careful and we need to control our population at the very earliest. So let's move on to the next reason for increasing population, that is the poverty. Poverty is a main reason for the increase in our population. Why poverty, or how poverty is contributing towards our increased population? See, you can see in major families where there is rampant poverty, they tend to have more children. Poor people tend to have more children in their family, or poor families have more children because they want to have more sources of income. So the poor parents think that if they have more children, one or the other children will look after them, or one or the other child will take care of the family. And if there are more number of children, there will be more number of sources of income. That is why poor people tend to have more children, and due to this, because of this lack of awareness and lack of this knowledge, our population is growing day by day. Now we are going to study about the last reason or cause of the increasing population, that is ignorance and illiteracy. As I told earlier in the explanation of poverty, this illiteracy and ignorance towards the demerits of growing population, our population is reproducing day by day. Due to this lack of awareness, this ignorance, and also illiteracy and lack of knowledge, our people are reproducing day by day. Our people are having more than two children per family due to not knowing the demerits or the problems which will be caused by the high rate of growth of population. So these are the major reasons for the excess growth of population, and in the next class we will be studying about the economic effects of the excessive population. So that's all for today's class. Thank you.